Coming from North America, I didn't really realize that Egypt had all of this also to share.
Leon's first tuk-tuk experience, Jen's second. I can see Jen in the mirror.
Elgouna is a modern, man-made city resort town in Egypt. It's off of the Red Sea near Hurghada. This luxurious area is well known for its beautiful marina that is lined with restaurants and bars, and its mangroovy beach, which is really popular with kite surfers. Come along with us today and explore this beautiful, luxurious area of Egypt that is a must-visit destination. So what are your thoughts so far?
Love it here.
Yeah? What do you love about it?
Yes, I love the people, the service, the view. You know, it's what's not to love, really. It's so lovely and luxurious, and people are great.
Service is impeccable here, actually.
Yeah, it really actually is. Yeah, it's fantastic. Just, you know, everyone speaks English, which makes life a lot easier, and yeah, the resort is just they've really made use of the sea and the sand, and just the fittings and fixtures and everything is just magnifique. Yeah.
Cheers. So it's a video. It's a video. You can move and talk. Thank you guys. You guys have been awesome. Yes, thank you so much. Who's gonna win? So here, you can put your peanut shells out here. Hey guys, so we are here doing our next epic adventure. We got a private boat and we're gonna go and check out the dolphins and do some snorkeling. We're really excited. This trip has been a trip of a lifetime, and you know, even slightly affordable depending on what you consider affordable. But yeah, come and join us. We'll show you around and let you know what you can get. But a lot of the times the prices you see put on the bulletin boards, you can get private tours for cheaper, and it actually boosts their local economy a lot better because people are earning a bit more money than just the travel agencies. Hello, hi. Good morning. Good, thank you.
Sorry, we have to do the YouTube.
Yeah.
I was going to take a selfie. So pretty.
So beautiful. that, babe?
That was amazing. Yeah, the coral is epic here. Really, really, really beautiful. I like the way it looks like brains, and there's some really, really cool fish. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back in for another go when I've regained some energy. It does take it out of you a little bit, but no.
Today we've been going out snorkeling and enjoying a private day boat tour, and it's been phenomenal. We've had the opportunity to see some beautiful fish. We were hoping to catch an eye on some dolphins, but you know, they're out playing. Maybe next time. I heard that in May, actually, it's the best time of year. But yeah, we hope that you've been enjoying the little clips that we've been showing you of our time here.
Elgouna's been amazing. It's been really amazing. We've spent some time in Luxor yesterday, which we're still kind of like overawed by that, but Elgouna's been amazing. Selfie time.
How do you say it?
Shukran, thank you.
Yeah.
Afwan, you are welcome.
You're welcome. Yeah.
And how do you say thank you very much?
Shukran Nadia.
Shukran
Shukran Nazia.
Shukran
So, how was that? That was epic. You just drove a boat, baby.
Yeah, that's the first time I've ever driven a speedboat. And the snorkeling was fantastic. I tell you what, the coral was excellent. It was really beautiful, very vivid, great, you know, multicolored fish. It was lovely, and did a bit of sunbathing. That was epic.
You drove a boat.
I know.
And Leon could barely swim, and he went
I
like
know.
snorkeling in the middle of the sea.
Yeah. I mean, I did have my life jacket on, but
Safety first.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and I was still a little bit nervous at first, but once you get over it, you get over it, right?
Yeah,
you just enjoy it. And,
exactly. And now we're gonna do all we have a bunch of Asian islands coming up in the future, so
Yeah.
I think that our snorkeling's gonna become.
It's been, what, like a year and a half since we
Yeah,
snorkeled in
since Mexico.
So to do that here in Egypt was great, and our boat driver Saeed was excellent, and yeah, great, wonderful time.
This is Jen and Leon Travel, and we are so happy to show you just a little bit of ancient Egypt this trip. Come and take a sneak peek with us, all of the sites that we'll show you more in the future.
Yeah, this is the magnificent Luxor temple. We finally made it after a very long day of seeing the sights. What are we looking for, babe? Yeah, he's going to the tree.
Bye, see you later.
The big moment, the columns that we're all waiting for. See you in a bit.